Hello everybody, my name is JPcrazy, and we're gonna be creating stick. We're basically gonna make a cooking animation. Why? I don't know. First, press S, move your mouse a bit in until it's about this size. The cube right here is this size. Make sure to click it first though. S, Y, and boom. S1, S1. Press tab, click on this side. Hold the middle mouse wheel to look to the other side. Hold shift to select that one, and then press E. Then it's gonna look like this. What you're gonna wanna do is add mirror. Tab A, Y, and boom. Shift D, duplicate. Shift D, duplicate. Shift D, duplicate. Shift D, duplicate. Okay. Shift D, duplicate. R, Z, 90, G. Oh wait, turn off X by the way on the mirror modifier. Wait. Make sure to keep both those on, I guess. You want to S, Z. Okay, boom. This might seem weird, but just Control A on both of these, and I'll do that. And click on this. Click on this, and boom. That's gonna look very pretty. It might look a bit, but ignore the. So anyways, so what we're gonna wanna do, grab this light, spotlight, click on the grading thing. Click on this. Make sure to give it pretty good metallicness and roughness of it down. And it's gonna look pretty. Actually, no roughness. Just holding metallicness. Actually, no. There is gonna be roughness. Create keyframe for both of these. Or all of these right here. Or next, what we're gonna want to do. Unless I'm changing this to the sun. Delete, enter, boom, good, nice. Shift A, cube, S, Z, bring G to move it up. G, GX, or whatever axis, which is Z, X, Y. Tab, oop. Stick. Who doesn't love stick? Then tab on it again, Control B, C, and then move your mouse in, and then hallelujah. We're gonna stay in this mode for a little bit because so what we want this steak to look like is a kind of pinkish like this. Click on this and make sure that it starts up here. It will land on frame 20. But when it's falling, we wanted to make it where it has a bit of. Okay. rotating is hard, by the way. And it might look a bit bad, but we're gonna make it where it kind of bounces, and then land, and boom, boom. Then it'll be like, beep. Just it falls and just goes whoop, whoop. It just falls, hits it, and then just randomly flips. It's not supposed to do that. It's like all these being weird. It's gonna fall. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna bounce up a little bit. It's gonna fall. It's gonna hit it again. Rotate it. And boing. That's actually pretty good. I like that. It just feels a bit too... I feel like the start up there is a bit too slow. So let's make it where it's shorter. Boom. Now it makes it where... it's like these, do that. That's really good. Okay. Now we're gonna make it, we're on frame. Keep all those. And on frame 60, it's just gonna roughness 0, metallic 100, and 4. Make it where it's blowing, because blowing. Turn back on the... No! That! Ah! So it's gonna be like... Blomp, blomp. Just... Takes a little bit of time to heat up, and then it goes... And then steak's not gonna take too long after to start changing color and cooking. On frame 120, I'm gonna make it where it's cooked to perfection. Look at that. You can't tell me you wouldn't eat that, even though it's... Yeah, you probably wouldn't. That's pretty much just a white sock. But it boom. Then it boom. But how are they supposed to grab it? Spatula. So we're gonna get a spatula. It's gonna flip, land on a plate. Yeah. Who doesn't love tutorials that are utterly goof? So we need the spatula, so Shift A, spawn in cube, S. Did I? Oh, I never said Shift A to spawn in. S, S, Z, bring it up. S, Y, S, but tab, click on this, E, G, bring it out this way, which could be any of the axes, or just use the scroll wheel. S, Y, E, bring it up, boom, just a bit up, and then boom. Then boom, spatula, and then we need to flatten this out because it can't be like a brick. So then tab A, Control B, and then hallelujah, a new texture and make it just black. Spatula would appear on that flame, and before that it would just be over here, so that's way too fast, way too fast. And it's just gonna, you just see a spatula sliding in. It's gonna go over here. Scoop it. Click, go back to like really scoop it, because we definitely use spatulas to scoop up steaks. Some people actually do. Anyways, you're just gonna see a spatula. New. It's gonna rotate a little bit. It's a little too quick. Let's do that. What is it? Oh, that's why. And it goes up. Then flip. This is goofy. It just clips into the. Oh my god. Look at it. It's just clipping into it. I'm just gonna shoop. It's gonna get scooped. It's getting lifted. And it's gonna slide off. But no, because it's gonna fly over. It's gonna scoop. Just flies. It's so goofy. But this is why we're here, isn't it? Isn't it? I know we're all here to learn about it, but so we're just gonna have a plate sitting over here. The entire animation, just here, just chilling. entire time. And it's pretty simple to make. Just spawn cylinder, move it over, E, bring it down, S, E. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Darn it. Let's go. It's gonna land. It's gonna slide on the plate. Since plates can't make it where it slides. And it's gonna continue sliding. And then it's gonna hit the edge. And it's just gonna kinda boom. Just and then stick. Heat up the stick. Flip the stick. Put it on a plate and it fall. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. My name's JPcrazy. See you next time.